Hello traders, Subhan here from 200forexpips.com. So guys, I'm using these indicators. These are testing right now. Today I'm testing on a real account as well. So you can see the profits are onto the screen. I have taken the sell position from here because it was getting a reverse from the top red boundary, top yellow boundary. And you can see the two trades are triggered here with the lot size that we have chosen as per the account, that is 0.10. And you can see 15.96 and 9.22 is already on the trade. So I'm just going to cut off this trade because I'm just going near to the green line so that I can close my trade. So this is your potential take profit in that scenario. If you have taken your trade right from the top, this is your take profit area. So basically the market has reached to the take profit area. So as per the lot size, it is giving me the decent profit as per the lot size. So I'm most willing to cut the position, but I just want to check this candle that either this want to go further down or not. So let's see. So 29.64. okay, it looks like okay, it's look like it starts to pump up. So we will wait a little bit more so that we can this candle can lose, or maybe the next candle. So overall guys, when you are trading as per the top yellow line, so this is your take profit, so just above the green line. So it's better to close above the green line because you should not miss your potential profit. So overall you have covered this much gap when you have taken the trade from here. Now you can see it's again pumping down, and now we are getting a decent profit. So let's exit from the trades at the moment. So I'm just want to get rid of the trades right now. Okay, so I have taken the trades from here. You must have seen that that the market was getting the rejection from the top yellow boundary. So I was getting some messages from my subscribers to test this on a live account. So that's why we have gone for a live account, and I have shown you the testing. So basically this is the gold 1 minute chart. So what happened with the market? So basically the market went up. I waited for the market to come into the proper upward direction, and then I sold the gold, and then I taken the profit on my real account as well. So basically this was just for the testing that the trades really work. Even if you are trading the live account or even you are trading the demo account, there is no difference, because overall as per the trading strategy, that's completely fit. Even you test it on the demo account, even you test it on the live account, so it is not going to change. Okay, so there is a difference of emotions between the live account and the demo account. Otherwise rest of the things are completely safe. And you can see that I have also shown you that how you can trade well with these indicators on the live account as well. So hopefully if you like this video, then please press the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone. And if anyone of my subscribers need to get this trading indicators, they can contact me on info@200forexpips.com, or they can also contact me on WhatsApp, that is given in the description of the video below. The WhatsApp number you will be able to find in the description of this video. So right now guys, you can see the market again starts to pump up because it almost went near to the green line, and then it started to pump up. So this is how you need to carefully use this trading systems. Overall this is very simple, and it's giving me very good results. Even it's giving very good results to my subscribers. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video. This was the little update about the indicators. Have a good day. Bye.